Okay, guys, hope y'all having an awesome Saturday. So we're doing a boot makeover. So these boots I got off of Amazon. I believe these was like $19. So I'm gonna put fur up at the top and I'm gonna glitter out the bottom. So I already started on this shoe. So I have the mud part and glitter mix, and I'm gonna do layers and layers and layers, and then I'll seal it. And then when it dries all the way, then from that point, I'll put the fur on to it. So that's what I'm working on. This is my next project. So if you guys want to get some affordable boots, go to Amazon and you get them right away. And also the fox fur, you can also get that from Amazon as well. And they have different kinds of boots. So these was really affordable. These was $19. So if you want to get a better pair, you can get a better pair as well. So definitely stuff the boots so that when your foot go in it, you won't it won't wind up making that making the glitter come off. So stuff them. I got them stuffed with something. So I'm gonna start on this one, and then when these dry, when I get all the mud pot and the stuff on, when they dry, then I'm gonna come back, and the final step is gonna be put the fur on, glue the fur on. So these will have to dry 24 hours. So I just wanted to show y'all the process. I just put mud pot and glitter in a bowl, stir it up, and I'm gonna put these layers and layers on. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow, 24 hours from the time I did it, and then I will put the fur on, and then they'll be ready to go. So a real easy project. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. So if you see, we're going to put it on. We're going to let it dry. So it still look white because it's, and then I got the clear mud pot. Okay. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So I am back. So after letting all of the glitter and different stuff like that dry, I added the fur. So the fur is added to this boot. So now I'm going to do the other boot. And again, these boots came off of Amazon. So to make it easier, cut your pieces. Already have your pieces cut and know exactly where you want to do the fur. And it'll make it a lot more simpler. So this first piece right here, I'm out of frame. Okay. So this first piece right here, I put the glue, and I'm just using a hot glue gun. I got it from your local Walmart. You can get glue from. So if you have it already glued out, it'll make it a lot better than just trying to cold turkey it. It'll make it easier to work with. So then I take it where the boot is curved. I'm gonna put it right here because I want it to go inside of the boot. And then put a little down like this. But once you get it up over the top, that's what's going to hold it together. Okay. Let me move that. So now, boom, put it there. And push it down. Push it down. Y'all see that? You don't need a lot of glue, because just the bare minimum make it stick. So now, I'm going to do these sides. Got to get another glue stick. And it's real simple process. But like I said, if you already have your glue measured out, it will make it that much more easier than trying to do it later. Trying to cut it later. So I already have your pieces ready. And be careful with this hot glue, because it is really hot. Okay, so meet that other piece up. Keep them close together. Oh, and when I did put the glitter on here, I do have my boots stuffed with paper. So make sure you have your boots stuffed. Don't do it without, because you don't want to wind up making the boots too small. So definitely stuff it. Have it stuffed. So that'll make it a lot more easier. See? 1, 2. And the last piece is right here. This is the last piece. And okay, the last piece, I put it on. And then they are ready. I am going to pick up some sealer, the clear sealer spray, to keep the glitter in there pretty good. I don't have any on there now, but I will pick up some, because if not, everywhere you walk, it'll kind of have glitter. So that depends on y'all. If you don't want to seal it, but I'm going to seal mine. This glue gun be really hard to push. Which way? This way? So I'm going to push it all down and make sure all the pieces is good. And the last point, I'll come try them on for y'all. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, they are gorgeous. I like them a lot. I love the sparkle. I love the sparkle. So remember, the boots came from Amazon. I used Mod Podge. The fur I got from my local fabric store, but you guys can find the fur from Amazon. Put in the fox fur, and I did the sleeves on a jacket. So you want to do sleeves on a jacket and the boots, get a yard. A yard will work. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.